This is how I was dancing at work yesterday when I found out who won the presidential election. I was What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new Shein haul for you guys. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've done one, so I've actually had this stuff for quite a while now. I'm just now getting around to filming it, so I was like, today is the day we're going to go ahead and film this. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if you liked anything or what you did not like. Also follow me on Instagram, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, to start off with is this houndstooth bag. And you guys know me, I love houndstooth. Like literally every haul that I do at this point has something houndstooth in it. But yes, it's this really small bag. I'm still into the micro bags, I'm still into the mini bags. I just find that I use them. All of like my really large bags are all in storage because I don't use them. So this is right up my alley. Let me show you guys the inside. There's not really much to the inside. It's really small. It does come with a handle. It came with stuffing to, you know, kind of keep the shape of the bag. And then it has like this little tag saying Shein right here. So yes, it's just a cute little small bag. Next is this like ruched bag. I've been really into like this really like, I guess, floppy or sloppy looking bag. It's so cute. It's like partially floppy, but it's also has some type of structure. Like the bottom has like something to kind of keep it like a nice flat surface. This is what the inside looks like. Can't really open it because like the handles runs in here, so it's kind of hard to like open it. But yes, this is what that looks like. It does come with a strap and it's really small and cute. I just feel like this is just nice, you know. This style, I just think vacation like, or summery type stuff. Continuing the trend, I got this bag right here, which is yet again another one of those ruched bags. So it opens right here, pop it open, and it's like that. It kind of feels like a wallet, just a very over the top wallet, because it's like on the bag is really only used here. So yeah. And the last bag I have is this one right here. Yet again, that same ruched bag. Honestly, I really wish that I would have got that other bag in white because I wanted a white bag for a reason. I have like a whole outfit that I have planned and this type of style of bags what I needed, but this is just a little too floppy. It doesn't really have any type of structure. But let me show you guys the inside. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. Honestly, when it's open, it looks like a big diaper. Like, you know, those old school diapers, like the cartoons where they use like a little safety pin. It literally kind of looks like that. And lastly, I got these pair of shoes right here. It's like this block heel. I love this style of like shoes. I love the fact that it gives a little heel, but it's comfortable. Like I can walk in these, I won't be in pain. I did get these in a size 11. I've ordered like at least probably like nine pairs of shoes from Shein, and I always get a size 11 and they always fit true to size. I've already like tried these on. I haven't worn them anywhere, but I have tried them on. They fit perfectly. So if you do have, if you do wear a size 11, you'll be fine with this, or whatever other size you may wear. You can go ahead and stick to like your regular size. I don't feel like you need a size up or size down. I would try them on, but the way my toes look, baby, they are in quarantine, okay? And they're going to stay right there. So yeah, I have this really awkward, like deep cut on my big toe, like where I have to let majority of my toenail grow out. If not, if I try to rip it, it's going to be extremely painful. So yeah, no. But yeah, they fit. So if you are interested in trying these shoes out, or if you have bigger feet like me and you're worried about that, they fit, you'll be fine. All right, let's move into the clothes. Starting off with what I have on, this top right here. I do have on like the nipple pasties because I have a couple of tops that wearing a bra is just not gonna work with them. Like this is something that you can't wear a bra because of the way the top is designed. Like your straps are gonna be sitting here. And I feel like even a strapless bra will still kind of like look awkward. So yeah, so it is this top and I just have it tucked in, but like this is where it sits. So yeah, but I feel like it looks really cute tucked in. Now I want to show you guys these jean shorts that I have on. I gotta lower the camera down just a little. Actually, let me see if I can. Now I'm gonna lower the camera down so I can show you guys what these look like. Ooh, look at all of this fringe. Like, oh my goodness. And let me show you guys the back of this. It's a little cheeky, just a little bit, and the fringe continues down there. Like these are perfect for summer. This is perfect for vacation. Like it's a perfect, let me put the camera right back on up. I'll be right back. These shorts are perfect for like when you have your swimsuit on. You just throw these on, you know, you finna go to the beach. I wanna wear this to Miami. When am I going to Miami again? I don't know, but whenever I do, these gonna come with me, or if I go anywhere tropical. By the way, I did get this out of the plus size section. That's one thing I wanted to mention. So if you smaller, I'm pretty sure Shein has something like this on their website, but I bought these out of the plus size section. So yeah. All right, so this is the next top. If you watch my Shein hauls, you probably would have seen this in one of them. I do have this in like a turquoise shade, but I really wanted the hot pink one. So this is what it looks like. It is a halter neck, and then you kind of just tie it at the back, and then the back is open. Yet again, this goes perfectly with like these type of shorts. This is, sorry some of the stuff doesn't seem fall at all, because I really, when I shop, I just kind of buy whatever the heck I want, you know? And I'm like, it's gonna be summer again at some point in life, so if I don't wear it now, I'm gonna wear it then. So I really don't I try not to shop too much of the season because I don't care. Such a cute top. I love the color, it's so vibrant. And then you can tighten it. Definitely I would wear this a lot tighter so that way it can like sit up higher. But yet again, this is a shirt that you do have to wear nipple pasties with, or you can free fall, not me, okay? I need a little bit of support. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try on the next top. All right, so this is the next top. And it is this cow print shoulder pad shirt. Honestly, this top looks so much cuter online, on the hanger, but on me, I feel like I look stupid. The shoulder pads, normally I like a good shoulder pad action, but this just looks, I look like I'm about to go play defense. Like I look like a freaking linebacker. Like what the heck? No, but the print is cute. I don't know, maybe I can make this work, or maybe if I make the top not nearly as loose and bring a little bit of structure down here, so that way it doesn't look so big up here, big down here, but probably could have sized down. I don't know. But yeah, so this is that top. And then let me show you. Y'all, I have finally cracked a code when it comes to Shein jeans. For the longest, I thought that I was just never going to be able to partake in jeans on Shein. You know, Shein is very inexpensive. So it's like, if you can find things on Shein and save some money, why not? But their jeans just never worked out for me. I finally figured it out. So I get a lot of comments from, you know, you guys, oh my gosh, like, I'm so glad that I found your channel. Like, you know, me, you have the same body shape. And so listen, if you and I look similar in body shape, you're gonna love this. When it comes to jeans on Shein, I have to shop in the plus size section. Now let me explain that. Normally a size 12 for the most part falls in just, you know, their regular category. So I just thought that I'll be fine because I wear a size 12 in jeans. Apparently not. There is a difference in buying a size 12 in the regular and buying a size 12 when it is listed underneath plus size. The size 12 underneath plus size is what a size 12 is supposed to really be like. But let me show you guys these jeans that I have on, okay? All right, so these are the jeans. I gotta back it up. Ooh, y'all do not look at my toes. They look so horrible. But yes, they do have like a little bit of like that tearing down here, or tearing, the rips. This is what the jeans look like. So they are like mid-waist, which I didn't know, because if I would have known, I probably wouldn't have bought them. I like my jeans high rise. But yeah, so these are what the jeans look like. You get some rips down here, you get some rips on the ankles of the jeans, and it's really nice. All right, so this is the next top, and this is cute. This is definitely cute. It feels so classy and just like bougie, you know, bougie. So let me show you guys the sides. So this is the side of it, and then it is, you do zip it up in the back. So turn to the back. So yes, you would zip it up the back, just kind of solid. It's a really pretty camel colored shirt, and it just feels very just bougie. All right, so I have another shoulder pad shirt. This is a striped one. This one looks a lot better for some reason. The other cow one, some was off, but yes, this is what this top looks like. So cute. I mean, yeah, there's not much to say about this top. It's cute. And yeah, I will wear this with those white shoes that I showed you earlier, with like some jeans like this, and my hair and makeup just like this. And like, you know, step out somewhere, you know, some simple drinks with the girls, happy hour, brunch, you know, something simple and soft. This will be perfect. All right, so this is the next top. I definitely got some makeup on it in the process of putting it on. I need to get those little like baggies to put on my head. So when I put on makeup, like my shirts, I don't get them stained, but like, yeah, I definitely got it stained. But yeah, so this is this top. I got this in a size large. The comments kept saying, the comments were mixed. So the reviews on this shirt, people were saying size down, size up. Personally, I think you should stick to your true size. I'm so glad I did not size down because I would not have been able to get the shirt on. And I definitely don't think I need to go up a size because I definitely want this to be like fitted. So yes, this top is this latex top. And then I also got these pair of jeans, which I'm gonna lower down the camera so you guys can see, but it is a high-rise pair of jeans, super cute. Let me show you guys. So these are the jeans right here, and yeah, they're super ripped. They're like ripped all in the front, and even the ankles are ripped. They are high-rise, and they are this like dark wash of jeans. I would say the only thing that was a little tough about these jeans was the ankles. Getting my ankles through it was kind of hard. Like they are definitely tight around the ankles, but other than that, these are actually a really nice pair of jeans. And if you are shorter than me, they will run a little bit longer on you. They are flooding just a little bit. I don't know if I can pull that out for you guys to see, but I think I need to lower this down just a little bit more. Hold on. Yeah, I think now y'all can see. So yeah, as you can see, these are definitely flooding on me just a little bit, and I don't like it. So yeah, if you're taller, okay, it's gonna flood even more on you. But yes, these are the jeans. All right, so this is the next top. This is super ghetto, but I have on the pink shirt that I had on prior, just because this shirt is like straight up see-through. Like, even with the bra on, it's just like, maybe it's see-through, okay? So you're gonna see your bra and everything. So I just kept this shirt on, but obviously I would not wear this underneath that. I'll definitely pick something else. But this is the top. It's super just in your face, like, bam, I'm here, I've arrived, what's good? Okay, really pretty blouse. You can tuck it in. You can get really creative with this top. I just loved how like just bold it is, but at the same time, it's still like a little dressy, like, you know, dressed up. This is just a cute ass top. The hell I went through to get this shirt on. It's on. This is a little bit more than I bargained for. So I'm not somebody who is very cleavage-ish. I'm not really into like very overly done cleavage tops where it's just like boom, like, you know, I just feel like it draws a lot of attention there, and I don't really want you staring at that, okay? I want you to have my beautifully done makeup, you know? Apparently this top is a dupe for a YSL shirt that Zara then duped themselves, and then Shein said we're gonna dupe the dupies. So yes, this is that type of top. You can get the sleeves in a pink version, I think, but I wanted the lilac one. This is like a suede type of material. But yeah, this shirt was not easy to get into. I got this in a size large. I would definitely recommend you sizing up. You know, even though it fits, and actually no, it's your call, because I like the size large because it definitely helps with this, like, you know, kind of sitting up, because if it was too large, then I think this would be falling. But it's kind of your call, but I wouldn't size down for sure. I would either do your regular size or size up, depending on what your situation is. If you got more of these up here, if you got more of this, whatever it is that you may have more of, make the best call for you. But this is a very cute top. Now that I'm looking at it, I would have to like kind of, you know, get used to this, but let me stop. Yeah, I could see myself wearing this somewhere, like, hey, party up. You know, you can't do too much because, you know, might just pop out, pop. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want that, okay? I'm ready to be done with this haul. I want to sit down, but I got a couple more things to try on. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so this is the next top. It's this checkered crop top. Pretty basic, pretty simple. You know, just a cute top to just kind of throw out, what? Just a cute top to kind of just throw on, you know, just something very casual. So yeah, there's not really much to it. Super cute. Let's try on the next one. All right, so this is the next top, and let me just say, I absolutely hate it. It's way too cropped. I do not like shirts that are overly cropped. Like, if I lift up anymore, you're going to see under boob, okay? So this is a top that I'm just honestly just gonna use to film like a YouTube video, because normally in my videos and my tutorials, y'all only see like this and up. So yeah, but the sides are like kind of cut right here. Maybe if I would have sized up, it would have been a little bit more, you know, bigger, more, I don't know, but it's too little. It's too cropped, way too cropped. Like the actual shirt fits in a way that I like. I just wish it had more material to kind of cover a little bit more. This is just too much, but yeah, that's this top. All right, so this is the next top, and I love this. The way this fits is where I wanted that purple top to fit. This is perfectly, like, it's cropped still, but it's not too much. I love the little shoulder action, you know, we got going on over here. It's super, super cute, long sleeve. Yes, I love this camo. It's so cute. Okay, let's try on the next top. All right, so this is the next top, and it is so pretty. I love the shade lilac. It's such a cute color. But yes, it's this off the shoulder, kind of like sweater type of material, cropped, because you know I love me a nice cropped top, you know what I'm sure. So yes, this is it, and it's super cute. I mean, there's not much to say about this, but you know what, let me see if I can get a thumbnail. All right, so this is the next top, and let me just say, I love it. I love this. So it's a nice turtleneck. The only thing I hate about turtlenecks is the fact that I like to wear makeup, and makeup and turtlenecks, they're not friends, okay? They're not friends. But this top is cute. It is cut out right here. So yeah, if you're trying to wear this when it's cold, best believe you're gonna be freezing right here. I mean, one, your drift's gonna be freezing because it's a crop top, but you're gonna be freezing some more right here too. But yes, this is a super cute top. Super cute top. This is how I was dancing at work yesterday when I found out who won the presidential election. I was, let me stop. All right, so next I have this jumpsuit. This is, I bought, well, not jumpsuit, this romper. It's like made out of like that teddy material. I literally bought this to chill in the house. Like, this is just something fun to sit around. You do get some, hold on, you don't get no pockets. You don't get no damn pockets. This is a scam. Wow. Okay, so you don't get pockets. It is like little, I can't really show you because of my braids, but it is like little bear ears. Like, this is definitely something to like, this is childish. It's childish as heck, but it's fun to sit around the house in, okay? So yeah, this is it. And I got one more fit and I'm done. All right, so this is the last piece, and it is a cohort set. So it is some shorts and then the top right here. Super cute, and it's like a built-in looking bra, but it's not really, it's part of the shirt. And then let me show you guys what the back looks like. So you do connect it back here, and then you get something to tie it up the, well, strap it up here. Yeah, super cute. Now I actually had a plan for this outfit where I want to wear one of like those, you know, ruched bags with this, like little cute little, what are the name of those shoes? I can't think of it, but I definitely have a whole outfit like planned for this. But this is definitely something that I'm gonna pull out next spring, summer, when, you know, it's warmer and I actually have somewhere to go that requires these type of clothes, because right now I'm gonna look stupid. But yes, this is that top, so you know, or the set. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Shein haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you like, what you didn't like, if you're gonna pick anything up, if you're not gonna pick anything up, whatever it may be, just, you know, sound off in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.